Hello students, today I will show you how to show under root 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 on number line. For that, first draw a line. Hmm? Suppose I will take O point here and it will denote 0. On number line you know that you have to take unit distance for the numbers. So you can take 1 centimeter distance or 2 centimeter distance, unit distance. I will take here 2 centimeter distance. Huh? And it will show number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Huh? Suppose next number will be 5. Huh? Now these are the whole numbers what I am showing. Huh? Now I want to show under root 2. It will come between 1 and 2 because because 2's value, that is nothing but under root 4. So here it will come between 1 and 2. Draw a perpendicular or a straight line on 1. Huh? Here I had taken unit distance as 2 centimeter. So here I will take a point on this line, on this perpendicular, and I will name it as a A. A, suppose this number is this 1 denote a B. A and B is also 2 centimeter. And now I will count OA distance with the help of compass. Take a distance OA between compass and make arc. That arc will intersect on number line here. I will give it name as a C. This is our under root 2 point. Okay. This is the place of under root 2. Now I want to show under root 3. Draw perpendicular on this point C. Okay. And take a 2 centimeter distance here also. Suppose I will give name it as a D. So their distance is, I will take now in compass OD and make arc. This is our under root 3. Okay. Again on this under root 3 I will draw a perpendicular. Take 2 centimeter distance from the number line on this perpendicular. And now count, suppose I will give name it as a E. So from O to E, draw a line. Properly you can draw. Here it will come. This is under root 4, that is nothing but 2 point. So draw a line, draw a perpendicular on 2. Again take 2 centimeter distance on this line. Name it as a P, suppose. So take OP distance, that will be under root 5. Again take distance, again take draw a perpendicular on it and take 2 centimeter distance. Now from O, from 0 to this distance, that will be under root 6. And the last one will be under root 7. Huh? Take 2 centimeter distance. Keep this compass on 0. Take this distance. This will be under root 7. So under root 8 will come here, and under root 9, that is nothing but 3, it will come here. So on number line you can show these irrational numbers next. Okay.